Accept. I accept your gift. I accept your gift. Afraid. He is afraid of dog. He is afraid of dog. Angry. He look very angry. He look very angry. Arrive. He arrive at 5 p.m. He arrive at 5 p.m. Begin. The show will begin now. The show will begin now. Better. She feels better today. She feels better today. Break. Don't break the glass. Don't break the glass. Buy. I want to buy shoes. I want to buy shoes. Call. Please call your mom. Please call your mom. Clean. Clean your room now. Clean your room now. Close. Close the door slowly. Close the door slowly. Cry. The baby will cry. The baby will cry. Dance. They dance at weddings. They dance at weddings. Die. Flowers die without water. Flowers die without water. Draw. Can you draw this? Can you draw this? Drink. I drink water daily. I drink water daily. Drive. He can drive fast. He can drive fast. Eat. Let's eat some fruit. Let's eat some fruit. End. The movie will end soon. The movie will end soon. Fall. Don't fall down. Don't fall down. Fast. She runs very fast. She runs very fast. Find. I can't find my book. I can't find my book. Forget. Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your keys. Friend. She is my best friend. She is my best friend. Funny. That joke was funny. That joke was funny. Give. Give me your pen. Give me your pen. Happy. They look so happy. They look so happy. Help. Can you help me? Can you help me? Hold. Hold my hand tightly. Hold my hand tightly. Jump. The dog can jump. The dog can jump. Keep. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. Learn. I learn English daily. I learn English daily. Leave. He will leave soon. He will leave soon. Like. I like this game. I like this game. Listen. Listen to your teacher. Listen to your teacher. Live. They live in London. They live in London. Look. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Love. I love my family. I love my family. Make. She will make tea. She will make tea. Mean. What does this mean? What does this mean? Miss. I miss my school. I miss my school. Move. Please move the box. Please move the box. Need. I need your help. I need your help.